Press Ctrl+T. Right-click and flip horizontal. Go to Select, Subject. Click on Mask icon to mask the subject. Adjust image size. Duplicate layer. Right-click on second layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Right-click on text layer and select Pixels. Go to Select, Inverse. Select Mask layer of top layer. Pick a brush and make sure foreground color is black. Paint on places you want to hide. Ctrl+D to deselect. Go to Adjustments layer and Solid Color. Pick your favorite color. And let's add some extra ship and texts. That's it. Please like this video. Thanks for watching.